Hi, good morning all of you. I hope you are doing well. On previous class, actually I have taught you parallelogram law, polygons law, uh, triangular law. That's our law, course of law I have taught you. Okay. Today, basically, you know that if a topic has been written on your boards, this topic is Lamis theorem. We'll study the about the Lamis theorem, the definition of the Lamis theorem, also the application of the Lamis theorem. Also, we will sort out the some problem. Okay, let's start our session. Okay. This is Lamis theorem. Okay, what is Lamis theorem? When coplanar forces are meet at a point B in equilibrium, then each force is the sine of the angle to the then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle of the other two forces. Okay, so we can write here. It states that if the coplanar forces are acting at a point B equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle of the other two forces. So actually here I have written that it states that if the coplanar forces are acting at a point B in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle of the other two forces. তার মানেটা কি হচ্ছে, ল্যামিস থিওরেম বলেছে কি বলেছে, যদি কপ্লেনার ফোর্সগুলো একটা পয়েন্টে যখন মিট হয় এবং কপ্লেনার ফোর্সগুলো যদি ইকুইলিব্রিয়াম হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে কি হয়, প্রত্যেকটা ফোর্স হয় অন্যান্য বাকি যে দুটো ফোর্স থাকে তাদের মাঝখানে যে সাইনে যে অ্যাঙ্গেল থাকে তার প্রপোর্শনাল হয়। ওকে, তো ল্যামিস ম্যাথমেটিক্যালি we can write in mathematically আমরা কি লিখতে পারি, লেটস three forces are acting at a point. Okay, one is P, Q and R. Okay, three forces are acting. So by this Lamis theorem we can write a formula which is P equal Q equal R equal, so the angle sine alpha, sine beta and sine gamma. Sorry, sine gamma, sine alpha, sine beta, and sine gamma. Okay, so this is the mathematical formula to find out any force. Okay, any force means P and P, Q and R. So if we draw in geographically, let's see how it is looking. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is the this is the graphically representation. This is one force, this is P force, and this is Q force, and this is R force. Also the angle between them, R and Q, the angle between R and Q is, let's, alpha. Q and P and Q, the angle between P and Q, let's, beta. And also P and R, and the angle between P and R is gamma. Okay, so by this formula, Lamis formula, we can write, also you can write P by the, this is the P force, P, the angle between the opposite two forces of the P is Q and R, also the angle between them is alpha. So we can write sine alpha equal Q equal the opposite force of the Q is P and R. Okay, so we can write the angle between P and R is gamma, sine gamma. Also we can write R equal the opposite force of the R is, what is R is opposite force of the R is Q and P. So we can write the angle between Q and P is beta. Okay, sine beta. By the graphical representation, we can write the Lamis theorem. This is the Lamis theorem mathematically formula. Okay. So there is some condition about Lamis theorem. Some condition about Lamis theorem. What are the some condition of Lamis theorem? First one is the force should to be coplanar. Okay, also it will have to meet at a point. So the force is to be coplanar force. Okay, coplanar force, and meet and meet at a point. The second condition is that the direction of the all forces should to be in same direction. Either it will be the inward direction or outward direction. Okay. The direction of the forces is to be same direction, inward or outward, inward or outward direction. Okay, that means in same direction. Okay, inward or outward. As for example, I have seen drawn a example. This is outward direction. From this point, from this reference point, the direction of the force is showing that outward direction. Okay. Second point, and force should to be equilibrium, and it will be equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium. It will be equilibrium. Have a look a problem so that it will be clear to understand you. A problem has been written. A horizontal force P is shown in the figure. A horizontal force a P is shown in the figure. Okay, this is horizontal force P as in the figure, shown in the figure. Okay, keep the weight in the equilibrium. The weight, this is weight W. The value of the weight is 100 Newton. Okay, and also this angle is 90 degree horizontal. And this is string by which it is supported the weight. Okay, string, the this is angle 80 degree. So this is support, this is the weight through which string it is supported. Okay, and also this is the force P. We have to find out what is the value of the P. Okay, we know that there is some tension is acting on in the string. Okay, tension means in this direction it will be acting, and weight in this direction it will be acting. Please know that. Okay, how it is, how to we will calculate the also the find out the value of the P by the Lami. We can calculate the value of the P by the Lami's theorem. Okay, basically by saying we know that the three forces are acting. This is the tension force, and this is the P force. Also this is the weight. Weight means the force, one type of force. Okay, if this is 80 degree, so the angle between this, what will be angle? Okay, 100. Okay, that means 180 minus 80, it will be 100. Okay, 100 degree. So the angle between have a look, we can write in the free body diagram, so that will be the clear to you. FED free body diagram, how look it is free body diagram, this one, and this one. Okay, this is weight 100 equal weight. Okay, 100 Newton. This is P force, and this is weight means just we can take this R. Okay, and this is Q, string tension. So the angle between them is 100. Okay, 100 means from here we can calculate 100. The angle between them we can by seeing that it is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. And the angle between R and Q, what will be angle between R and Q? 360 minus 90 minus 100. Okay, so 360 minus 190, so that it will be angle 60 70 170. Okay, 170. The angle between this 170. Okay, the first one 100, 90, 170. Okay, it is not clear, so it is not visible. Okay, right, 170, 90 degree, 100 degree, 170 degree. Okay, so by this Lamis theorem we can calculate the value of the P. What is the value of the P? So what is the Lamis theorem formula? P by sine alpha equal Q by sine beta R by sine gamma. Okay, so we will take only P sine alpha equal R sine gamma. Okay, so here alpha means P by sine, this is alpha. Okay, alpha, and Q means gamma. This is gamma and this is alpha, beta. Okay, so by this formula we can easily calculate what is the value of the P. We don't know, but we can write it as the sine alpha, that means sine 170 degree. Okay, R means weight. R means what is the value of the R? 100. Okay, 100 by sine 100. Okay, sine 100 degree. So by this formula easily calculate what is the formula, what is the value. Okay, P equal 100 into sine 170 degree by sine 100. Okay, if we put the value of the sine 100 value also the sine 70 degree, easily we can calculate the value. Okay, okay, thank you.